Special thanks to this company for sending us these acrylic display risers. Now, nothing to really show you on the outside of this box, but open it up, and inside of here is, well, they include little duckies. That's it for the box. That's pretty cool. Didn't know those were coming, but so you can see you get 6 of them in here. So there's kind of 3 different sizes, like stairs, and you know, 3 more over here. So you know, you can have a little ducky here, a little ducky here, a little ducky up here, and a little ducky there, and there. There you go. That's essentially what these are. They're just plastic displays for you to be able to display something in a shop or in your house, wherever you may need. You do get 6 of them inside of this. You get 2 sets, 3 and 3, 2 sets for a total of 6 shelves. And that's essentially all they are. And you can peel off. There's like a little plastic here that you can peel off that'll make them a little more see-through. They actually are. Let me show you that. See if I pull it off. Look at that. Now they're really clear. See? So there we go. That'll do it for these acrylic display stands. Thanks again to the company for sending these display stands to me so I could unbox and show you exactly what they're used for. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.